Hello students, once again I would like to welcome you all on my YouTube channel. Students, on my last video where I discussed about the basics of the polynomial, now today I am going to discuss about the zero of a polynomial. But before we start zero of a polynomial, we have to understand about what we mean by px or py. Suppose if I write px, what is the meaning of that? The meaning of px is the polynomial in variable x. The meaning of px is polynomial in variable x. Okay? Same way we can write it down gx, qx, rx. The meaning of that is the again same, the polynomial in variable x. Polynomial in variable x. What happened if somebody write py? So the meaning of py will be the polynomial in variable y, right? So it is a polynomial in variable y. Now, before we know the zero of a polynomial, we have to know value of a polynomial. Now, if you know the value of a polynomial, then you can easily understand what is the zero of a polynomial. Okay. So let's see what is the value of a polynomial. Value of a polynomial. So value of a polynomial obtained by putting a particular value of variable are simply known as the value of a polynomial. Right? What will happen? Suppose that if px is any polynomial, and if we put x is equal to a, मान लिया say x is equal to a, then p of a is called value of a polynomial. So if px be any polynomial and let's say x is equal to a, then p of a is called value of a polynomial. Right? This is clear to you? Now student, I hope you would have understand value of a polynomial. Now I am going to explain value of a polynomial by one example. Let's see here. I take one question over here. If px, so what is the px? Polynomial in variable x. If px is equal to 5x cubed minus 3x square minus 2x plus 3 is given, and you have to find it out the value of a polynomial. Let's say x is equal to 1. Let's take x is equal to 1. Then p1, that is p1 will be the value of a polynomial, and it will be 5 into 1 ka whole cube minus 3 into 1 ka square minus 2 into 1 and plus 3. What I have done? I have replaced x by 1. Okay? So 5, it will be 1 ka cube 1 minus 3, 1 ka square 1 minus 2 plus 3. It will be 5 minus 3 minus 2 plus 3. So 8 minus 5, it will be 3. So the value of a polynomial at 1 will be 3. Right. Now when you know that this is the value of a polynomial, so now we can know the zero of a polynomial. So what is the zero of a polynomial? Zero of a polynomial. So same way if I start in manner कि if px be any polynomial, px हमारा कोई polynomial है, if px be any polynomial, right? If px be any polynomial, and if you put x is equal to a, if x is equal to a, such that by putting a, pa is equal to 0, then it is called the zero of a polynomial. What I mean to say, if px be any polynomial such that pa of a is equal to 0, then x is equal to a is called zero of a polynomial. px कोई polynomial है, अगर pa is equal to 0, इसका मतलब x की a वैल्यू a पुट करने पर वो 0 हो जाता है. That is called zero of a polynomial. Students, one more thing I would like to tell you, zero of a polynomial is also referred as root of the equations. Root of a polynomial. Roots of a polynomial. So either you say zero of a polynomial or you say roots of a polynomial. They have a same meaning, right? So let us take one question example. तो आपको और क्लियर हो जाएगा. If I take say px is equal to 5x plus 3. If px is equal to 5x plus 3, then what will be the zero of a polynomial, right? Student, one more thing I would like to add. The zero of a polynomial means that equation will be zero, that is polynomial will be equal to 0. So if you have to find out this, given px is equal to 5x plus 3, and we are looking at what will be the zero of a polynomial. Simply what we will do, let px is equal to 0. Px is equal to 0 for zero of a polynomial. That is 5x plus 3 is equal to 0. So 5x is equal to minus 3. X is equal to minus 3 by 5. So x is equal to minus 3 by 5 will be a zero of a polynomial, right? Take one more example. If I ask a question like that, ki one question is given to you, x square minus x minus 6, and you have to check x is equal to 2 or x is equal to minus 3. Two number I have taken, x is equal to minus 2 and 3, and we have to check is this number are a zero of a polynomial or not. ये हमें चेक करना है कि इसका जीरो ऑफ ए पॉलिनोमियल है क्या नहीं, और अगर जीरो ऑफ ए पॉलिनोमियल होगा देन इट विल कम इक्वल टू 0. तो वी स्टार्ट सॉल्यूशन, लेट सॉल्यूशंस, लेट px is equal to x square minus x minus 6. So first we will check for a first number minus 2. So p of minus 2 is equal to, let us see now, minus 2 minus 6. Minus 2 का स्क्वायर 4 minus minus plus 2 minus 6. So 6 minus 6 is equal to 0. It means x is equal to minus 2 is a zero of a polynomial. Now let us check for the another number. So if for x is equal to 3 now, so p of 3 is equal to 3 square minus 3 minus 6. 9 minus 3 minus 6. 9 minus 9 is equal to 0. So also 0. So what we see that by putting x is equal to minus 2 and 3, this px become equal to 0. It means minus 2 and 3 both are a zero of a polynomial. Students, I hope zero of a polynomial might be clear to you. If you like this video, please like and subscribe it for more video and more informations. Thank you.